Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. You know, I have seen on Pinterest melted crayon art for years and years and years and years and years. People put it on pumpkins at Halloween. They do canvases with it. They do all kinds of stuff. I've been dying to try it, but I've never had a chance to do it. So today I'm going to show you how to do melted crayon art. Take those old crayons and turn them into something beautiful and cool. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. For this project, you're going to need a work surface, which can be either a tray, a bin, or a box. You'll need a small canvas or cardboard, crayons. Old ones are perfect to use, but just make sure they're the same type. They have to be the same brand. Glue gun, and a hairdryer. Using old broken crayons is totally, completely perfect and acceptable. This is one that I made using old crayons. And this is a combination of different brands of crayons. And as you can see, certain ones melted and certain ones didn't. And this is why I say don't mix your crayon brands. Just try to make sure that they're all the same crayon brand. Now, what we're going to do is, I'm going to move my surface for right now. We're going to hot glue our crayons using a hot glue gun. And we're going to glue them right to the top here. Now, I'm going to be doing mine in order from light to dark. So I'm going to start with this light pink here. And this is Crayola brand. And if you want to, you can make it so that the brand name shows if you want to. You know, some people like to do that. You can either place glue on the crayon itself or put it on the canvas. And again, if you don't have canvas, you can also use foam core or cardboard. You want to have something that has some body. Now the nice thing about this is as you place your crayons, and you can notice that I have placed my crayon like half on, half off. And that's so that I have lots of room for this to drip. Once you've got your first crayon on there, you just line them up according to the little wrapper. So you're going to get that kind of wavy, wavy, wavy all the way across. One thing about these crayons, now I have had a blast making this crayon art, but one thing is it is messy. It is really, really messy. So you should do this outside or make sure that you have an area where splatter is not gonna be too big of a deal for cleaning up, like you know, like a crafting room where you've got that all set up. I'm gonna take this little pencil holder and I'm actually gonna place it behind my little board, and as you can see, my little canvas has like a little lip there, so I can put my lip on here. And I'm going to do this so that you guys can see easier, and also so that I don't burn my hand. What you're going to do is take your hairdryer, turn it to the hottest setting, and you're going to just start waving it back and forth right in the middle of where the crayons are, right in there, right in the middle of the crayon. So like right across where the name is. You're just going to start doing that. As it begins to melt, you're going to see the paper will get darker. And that means that the wax is starting to melt. And then you're going to see it's going to start dripping down. Now, as soon as it starts dripping, you want to make sure to be careful not to fling the hairdryer, because what's going to happen is all that wax is going to start flying. Now, why am I explaining this all now? It's because I'm about to turn this hairdryer on, and once I turn this hairdryer on, you won't be able to hear a thing I say. So here we go. Just watch. It's so much fun. Pretty cool, huh? And there you have it. crayons, old crayons, and a little bit of heat make really cool art. You know, I just love the science behind this as well, because you know, you're taking heat and you're mixing it with something like a crayon, and you get these different melt points of the different colors, and you see how gravity affects it. I mean, it's a really cool project, and I hope you enjoy it. Like I said, I have been dying to do this for years and years and years. I know this has been around for years and years and years, but I hope this inspires you to give it a try, because it's super fun. And who knows, you might want to test it on a box, test it on a pumpkin, test it on an apple. I don't know. There's all kinds of cool ways to use it. Now, if you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up and share us with your friends. And for more great ideas like this, check us out at sophie-world.com.